What's up, y'all? I know we probably been MIA. Oh god. Back of my head hurting. Y'all like our new stove and microwave? This gonna be my first time cooking on it. Anyways, oh, what's good? Oh, it's good. Can I just get a little love? Okay, so I'm gonna be making chicken parmesan over spaghetti noodles today. My first time cooking it. Let me know. Let me know what y'all think. Make sure y'all cook my recipe. You know, I'm gonna let y'all know if it's good or not. Look at these lashes popping. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all this one. And my hair slayed to the gourds. I just had to push this back because it's gonna be irritating my soul. Anyways, let's get into it. Alright, so when you cooking chicken parmesan, I'm gonna let you know what you're gonna need. So I got my chicken breast right here. I'm gonna cook my chicken parmesan over some spaghettis. So I got my spaghettis right here. Here's my sauce that I'm gonna use for my like topping and stuff. And then I'm gonna use parmesan and mozzarella cheese. Here's my breadcrumbs that I'm gonna Here's my breadcrumbs that I'm gonna be using. Of course you're gonna need a little vinegar oil, a little butter, and then you're gonna need some eggs or whatever. And the eggs is for the batter. You're gonna need 3 bowls. And then of course I got some flour right here. So basically what I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and crack my my 3 eggs into my bowl, put my breading in a bowl, and then put my flour in a bowl, and then I'll show y'all how it looks. Alright, so I got my eggs, I got my breadcrumbs, and I have my flour. And this is how I'm gonna dip my meat. Of course, I gotta season it. Season my meat. I know black folks like good chicken. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is all my chicken that is cleaned up with no fat. And this is all of my fat that I cut off. Ew. Okay, so I'm now about to season my chicken. And then dip it into, this is garlic, garlic. This is garlic salt. Just doing a little bit garlic salt. So these are my batters. So I'm gonna first dip my chicken. Let me get a chicken. I'm gonna stick it in my egg. Then what you want to do from there is put it into your flour. Make sure that's nice and covered. Front, back, side, all of that. Then you want to stick it into your breadcrumbs. And you just want to make sure that you cover it all the way. All right, so all my chicken is breaded. I'm now about to go ahead and put my noodles on. Because this is what, here's my pot for my noodles. And then I'm gonna get a skillet and I'm gonna put a little oil in there to kind of cook. You don't have to worry about cooking these all the way because I'm gonna put them in the oven to kind of go ahead and bake with the Parmesan sauce and the Parmesan, not said Parmesan sauce, with the Italian sauce on it. And then I'm gonna top it with my Parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese, and then pop it in the oven so it can go ahead and finish cooking. I'm just gonna kind of cook it a little bit over the stovetop in a little bit of vegetable oil, but I'll show you guys in a second what I mean by that. All right, so I have my spaghetti in there, you know, cooking, and then I have my oil here. About to stick my meat in there. You guys can see. You just want to make sure that it's just kind of brown on each side. Okay, so these are my chickens. I'm going to place them in the oven for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna pull them back out, put my sauce and my Parmesan cheese on top, and then pop my bread in the oven, and then my meal will be complete, guys. My noodles are cooking, and then like I said, I'm about to pop my pop these in the oven. These are my chickens so far.
Yeah, let me show you.
Okay, so these are 3 of my cooked. The other ones are still cooking because they're a little bit bigger. So I'm basically just gonna take a spoon of my sauce, about that much, and then I'm gonna place it over my chicken. You'll put more sauce on it after you then I'm gonna get my mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese. That was mozzarella cheese, and then I'm gonna get my Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna get my Parmesan cheese and put a little of that over it too, so it has a nice mixture. And then I'm gonna stick it in the oven really quick, let it cook over, and then I'm gonna put it over my spaghettis with a little bit more sauce. I'll show you guys what the finished product looks in a second. Alright, so this is the finished product of my chicken parmesan. So that's the chicken with the Parmesan cheese on it, spaghettis, and then I have corn and a piece of bread to go along with it. So if you guys like this cooking video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and make sure y'all comment some more stuff that y'all may want me to cook. You know, I think I'm about to get my cooking license. My boyfriend gonna certify me, y'all. Anyways, I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.